Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nerissa and today I'm going to be sharing with you how to put on your foundation and your concealer. So I've had a few questions about how you should put on your makeup, what steps go first. So this is just the way that I put on my makeup. Now everyone will apply their makeup a little bit differently because you really do tend to do what's most comfortable to you. But this is just a really simple way to put on your concealer and your foundation. So there are 3 steps. The first step is to conceal. The second step is your foundation. And your third step is your powder. Now this isn't as in depth as you're like highlighting and contouring your face, but this will give you a very nice, clean, fresh looking face. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so there are a couple of things that you will need. So you can use a concealer, and I'm actually going to use my orange LA Girl Pro Conceal to color correct, and that's how I'm going to conceal my dark spots that you see underneath my eyes. And I also have some dark marks on my face, and I can use my color corrector to correct it as well. If you don't want to color correct, you could also use a concealer that is close to your skin tone. So using that will actually cover up. Now it has to be a concealer or fuller coverage, because if you get something that's light, you'll still be able to see the spots through it. But I suggest that you actually color correct. But if you don't want to, you can also still use a concealer. It'll be fine. So let's go ahead and get started. Now what I will say is you do want to be careful, because if you put on too much of this and you put your foundation on top of it, you're going to look really orange. So I would be mindful of that. Now I don't always go through and color correct, because I also use the Clinique Beyond Perfecting foundation and concealer, so it does help to conceal the dark spots that I may want to cover up. Now if you're going to get really detailed, you can literally go through and conceal every single spot, or you can just go through and do the major spots. It really just depends on what you want. Okay, and now I'm going to take my sponge and I'm just going to blend it out. Now you can use a sponge like this, or you can use like a disposable wedge sponge. It's really your personal choice. Now I used to have this really bad habit of using a lot of product, but I don't use as much product as I used to use, because it really doesn't take as much, and it can actually be kind of wasteful. So and as you can see, I'm still just blending. Okay, so I have my color corrector on right now, as you can see, and I'm actually going to try, I just picked this up, it's the Maybelline 24-hour foundation, and it's the SuperStay. So I just picked this up. I haven't tried it before, so I'm actually interested to see how well it works for me. So I'm just gonna do a couple pumps. Okay, so this is our second step, which is putting on your foundation. So I just, okay. So if you can kind of tell, I've done more blending on this side of my face than I have on this side. But so far, I'm actually really liking this. I don't have any complaints. Okay, so now I've finished blending out my foundation, and my last step is going to be to put on powder. So I'm actually going to use the True Color finishing powder by Black Opal. And boom. So that is a very simple 3-step foundation routine. So first step, remember, is to conceal. So anything that you don't want the world to see, you can conceal it. The second step is to put on your foundation, and your last step is to powder. Now, I'm going to do a little bit more, so I'm going to fill in my eyebrows and put on lashes and lipstick, but this is a very simple, you can do this look and throw on some mascara. If you have really nice shaped eyebrows, this can be a complete look for you. So thank you again for tuning in today to my channel. I'm so excited that you joined me. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And also follow me on social media. Instagram, I can be found at Nerissa Explains It All. And Facebook, I can be found at, again, Nerissa Explains It All. I look forward to seeing you again very soon. Bye.